What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the daily chart. Are these patterns invalidated? Are we going to go all the way up still to that $48,000 despite this major correction that we're having? Because we were analyzing the situation the last few days with this being 5 waves and that we were going to create the 5th wave. But I just did a live stream when we were at this area and I was saying that I'm not interested in longing just yet because I want to see a consolidation. I want to react to the price action. We did not see this kind of consolidation right over here. We just sliced through to the price levels that we are right now. So what is happening? Am I interested in shorts? Absolutely not. I'm not going to short the lower range of this area. I am looking for long trades or no trades, and I'm going to show some different scenarios that could happen in this episode. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily tell you on Bitcoin, crypto. Also do live streams to connect with the community. Not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your research. Quick reminder, if this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Let's analyze this scenario here, guys, because we were talking about this ascending channel right over here, creating these slightly higher highs, these slightly higher lows, as you can see. Now, is this it? Does this mean that we are going to come down and retest support and potentially break it to continue this aggressive downtrend? Well, let's just analyze the situation. This bearish Gartley pattern is still validated in my valid in my opinion, because we need to break the C level for this to not be valid anymore. So we could still see this kind of scenario in the next coming days. And I want to explain what major levels we do have beneath us. Okay. Now, we were talking about this scenario. Remember, we were talking about Elliott wave theory, where we could be potentially forming, 5 waves here. And we were in the 4th corrective wave. Now, this 4th corrective wave has gone a little bit too low, as you can see, and we have broken this uptrend, as you can see, from these higher lows. Now, I did a live stream just when we were trading at this range to explain that I am not interested in longing just yet, because I wanted to see a consolidation like this, but right over here to see some strength, to see that the bears are losing steam and that the bulls are coming in. Did this happen? No, it did not. We absolutely broke this major uptrend from these higher lows, as you can see, and this is not looking too good in the immediate short term. But what I want to show you from price action that did happen here in January, okay, in the beginning of February, we did have this low created over here all the way down to about $33,000. Now, it was true that we were creating higher lows, as you can see. And if I do connect this higher low over here, you can see, all right, from this connection, as soon as we broke this support from these high lows, it was pretty clear that we were going to continue to the downside. So we had this aggressive drop. Now, once we found a floor, we had a big, massive pump. Where did we pump to? We pumped to the support, turning it into resistance right there, almost going as high as this range at 45.8K levels, 45.8 approximately. Now, could something similar happen? Well, I think so. Of course, something similar can happen. We have broken this trend line over here. It is pretty clear that we could see some bearish momentum in the next coming days. But like I said on latest videos, Bitcoin likes to get liquidity from highs and lows. I could show you a bunch of examples. We got this low over here. Once we were dropping, Bitcoin came all the way up to this lower high and then grabbed this liquidity and dropped. We had this higher low right over here. Bitcoin came beneath it, grabbed liquidity and turned around. We've also got the latest one that happened a few days ago, which was this lower high over there. What happened? Bitcoin just touched the top of it, okay, going above a few $100s, and we are turning around right now. So which are the next liquidity grabs beneath us? Well, it's pretty obvious. If I show you here on the chart, we got this one and we got this one. So first of all, very possible, very likely that we will be dipping below the $37,000 in the next coming hours or couple of days after breaking this uptrend support level, as you can see here on the chart. So expect some volatility maybe on Bitcoin here, and it will be very, very interesting to see what can we do. Can we long this range? It's still very soon. The price is dropping. We do not want to catch a falling knife. So that is the scenario that we're looking for. If we do manage to consolidate slightly below this higher low around this level, then I would be very interested in potential long opportunities at this range. So this is something that we are going to take a look at, guys. And like I said, with the price dropped all the way below this low over here, and then came all the way back up to retest the support into resistance. What if we are going to come all the way down to this level below $37,000, grab a bunch of liquidity from this range, and then potentially climb up all the way to this major trend line here from these higher lows and get heavily rejected in the next 7, 8, 10 days approximately, because this would be round about the 15th or 16th, and it's around about that $48,000, right? It would make sense to potentially get rejected. We are going to break these highs. Everybody's going to be extremely bullish. It might just be a liquidity grab. We're going to get heavily rejected from this support turning into resistance, just like what happened right over here. And it is also the top here from this bearish Gartley pattern. So it's a scenario that we want to take a look at, guys. Remember, I am very interested in seeing what is going to happen at this range for a potential short opportunity at that $47,000, $48,000. Okay, so everything points out if we do get this kind of crazy price action, okay, I will be interested potentially in longing all the way down here, or longing at this range if we do consolidate in the next couple of days around these levels, because it is true that we do have a lot of support. Let me just show you and zoom in here on the chart. Okay, right over here, you got a big spike on the VPVR over here. So this is major consolidation. I'm talking about that 38, 39K range, big consolidation areas. So we might just see a little bit of volatility around this range before we continue up. This is very, very possible. We need to react to the price action. No price predictions. So like I said, interested in longing from this range, interested in shorting at this level, depending on how we react. Okay, we don't want to catch a falling knife or sell a big massive pump. And basically this is going to be it for this episode, guys. Not much to add here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I might be doing a live stream afterwards, so let's try to find some scalping opportunities. It is Sunday. Monday will be absolutely insane. Very excited for some potential trades. Check out Bitcoinsensus website. The latest news and technical analysis ideas is here. Number of crypto investors increases despite current price movement. So you need to go to the Bitcoinsensus website, totally free information. Read these articles. They are totally free, posted every single day. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.